These 5 collagen teas to repair skin and deep sleep in minutes. Did you know that your most powerful anti-aging remedy might already be in your kitchen, steeping quietly in a cup you've overlooked for years? While we chase creams, pills, and treatments, it turns out the real magic for skin renewal and restful sleep could be as simple as what you sip before bed. Today, you'll discover 5 soothing teas that don't just help you drift into deeper sleep, they actively repair your skin from within. Each one is backed by science, gentle on your body, and surprisingly delicious. These are more than beverages, they're nighttime rituals designed to boost collagen, calm stress, and leave your face glowing by morning. But here's the twist, the last one might be something you've seen every day, maybe even tossed out or brewed without a second thought. Yet it holds the key to the most surprising skin transformation of all. That's why I encourage you to stay with me until the end. And if you're tuning in now, I'd love to know. Comment glow below or share where in the world you're watching from. I'll be reading and responding to every message because your journey matters here. Sagging skin, dryness, and early fine lines. These are not just signs of aging, but often a clear cry for one crucial nutrient, vitamin C. As we age, our body produces less collagen, and without enough vitamin C, the enzyme cofactor that helps synthesize collagen, skin begins to lose its firmness, hydration, and youthful glow. Enter rosehip tea, a naturally sweet, floral infusion made from the fruit of wild rose bushes. Rosehips contain 8 to 10 times more vitamin C than oranges, making them a potent, plant-based collagen booster. It's one of nature's most concentrated and bioavailable sources of this essential skin-supporting vitamin. A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that daily supplementation with rosehip extract significantly improved skin elasticity, moisture, and cell longevity after just 8 weeks, especially in adults over 50. The results were visibly measurable: smoother skin texture, reduced wrinkle depth, and enhanced overall glow. Many people steep rosehip tea in boiling water for too long, unintentionally destroying its delicate vitamin C content. Others mix it with sugar or overly processed herbal blends, diluting its natural potency. Correct way to use. Steep 1 tablespoon of dried rosehips in hot water, not boiling. Ideally 80 to 90 degrees Celsius or 175 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit. For 5 to 7 minutes. Drink it 1 to 2 hours before bed, ideally on an empty stomach, and without added sugar. This timing gives your body a gentle collagen nudge just before its natural repair cycle begins during deep sleep. But what if you've tried rosehip tea and still find your mind racing at night? That's where our next tea comes in, one that doesn't just feed your skin, but helps you fully surrender to deep, healing rest. Tea number 2, chamomile tea. If you often find yourself lying awake, replaying the day's worries or feeling anxious before bed, your skin might be suffering more than you realize. Chronic stress and disrupted sleep elevate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Over time, high cortisol levels break down collagen, thin the skin, increase inflammation, and accelerate visible signs of aging, especially in adults over 50. Puffy eyes, dullness, and deepening wrinkles aren't just cosmetic concerns. They're signals that your body's nightly repair cycle is off track. Chamomile tea is more than just a calming bedtime beverage. It's a natural anti-aging tool backed by science. The key is apigenin, a plant-based flavonoid found in chamomile flowers. Apigenin binds to GABA receptors in the brain, promoting mild sedation, reducing anxiety, and calming the nervous system. When consumed regularly, chamomile supports not only better sleep but also deeper skin regeneration, which peaks during uninterrupted rest. It's during this phase that your body repairs skin cells, restores collagen, and balances inflammatory markers. A well-cited study from the University of Pennsylvania School of Medicine found that participants who consumed chamomile extract twice daily experienced significantly improved sleep quality within 2 weeks. The effects were especially notable in individuals with mild insomnia or generalized anxiety, groups most vulnerable to nighttime cortisol surges and poor skin repair. A surprising number of people drink chamomile tea too early, long before their actual bedtime, or rely on low-grade tea bags that contain more stem than flower. These weaker versions may not contain enough apigenin to deliver noticeable results and are often processed with artificial flavoring. Correct way to use. Choose organic, whole flower chamomile, either in loose leaf form or premium sachets. Steep in hot, not boiling water for 5 to 6 minutes, and drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This window aligns with your body's natural relaxation curve and primes your skin for overnight healing. While chamomile gently soothes the mind and helps set the stage for deep sleep, the next tea goes one step further. It actively targets aging from the inside out by fighting inflammation at its source. Tea number 3. Goji berry tea. If your skin looks dull, dry, or slow to recover from sun damage or irritation, the culprit may be a deficiency in vitamin A or zinc, two nutrients crucial for collagen regeneration and skin cell turnover. As we age, the body's ability to absorb and utilize these nutrients diminishes, leading to rough texture, uneven tone, and a loss of natural glow. For those over 50, slow skin renewal also makes fine lines and sagging more noticeable. Enter goji berry tea, a vibrant infusion that does more than please the eye. Goji berries are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, zinc, and powerful antioxidants like zeaxanthin and polysaccharides, all of which contribute to collagen stimulation and skin repair. Unlike isolated supplements, goji tea delivers these compounds in a natural, bioavailable form that's gentle on the digestive system and easy to incorporate into your nightly wind down. Goji also supports the gut-skin axis, a critical connection between digestive health and skin clarity. When your gut is balanced, your skin reflects that inner harmony with better hydration, tone, and resilience. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that participants who consumed goji berry extract daily experienced improved skin hydration, reduced wrinkle depth, and enhanced antioxidant levels after just 12 weeks. The results were particularly strong in aging individuals with mild skin dryness and sun damage. One of the biggest mistakes is tossing dried goji berries into tea without pre-soaking, or worse, boiling them for too long, which can destroy sensitive antioxidants and degrade their collagen-enhancing potential. Another issue is assuming all goji products are equal. Many commercial versions are overly sweetened or treated with preservatives. Correct way to use. Use 10 to 15 dried goji berries, soak them in hot, not boiling, water for about 10 minutes, and sip slowly. You can also steep them with green tea or hibiscus for added antioxidant synergy. The berries themselves can be eaten after steeping, soft, mildly sweet, and loaded with nutrients. Now that we've activated collagen production with goji berry tea, let's turn our attention to the digestive system. Because a sluggish metabolism and poor digestion can undo all the good your skincare does, our next tea is specially chosen to stimulate your gut, boost nutrient absorption, and awaken your inner glow. Tea number 4. Ginger turmeric tea. As we age, internal inflammation becomes a quiet yet aggressive enemy. You may notice dull skin tone, persistent acne, puffiness, or even unexplained sagging. These symptoms are often signs of endothelial inflammation, irritation in the blood vessels that reduces circulation and slows skin regeneration. On a cellular level, this inflammation also accelerates the breakdown of collagen, your skin's main structural protein. Without strong circulation and anti-inflammatory support, your skin can't heal or renew itself effectively. Enter ginger turmeric tea, a golden blend that has been used for centuries in Eastern medicine to combat inflammation and stimulate detoxification. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol that improve blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Turmeric, on the other hand, is rich in curcumin, a bioactive compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Together, they form a dynamic duo for restoring skin clarity and collagen integrity. Harvard Medical School has highlighted the impact of curcumin in reducing inflammation markers, specifically noting its role in inhibiting the activity of matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes that degrade collagen in the skin. By suppressing these enzymes, turmeric helps preserve collagen and supports the skin's ability to remain firm and youthful. Ginger complements this by enhancing circulation, which boosts nutrient delivery and accelerates tissue repair. Many people brew turmeric or ginger tea on their own but forget a critical factor: bioavailability. Curcumin, the main compound in turmeric, is notoriously hard for the body to absorb unless paired with black pepper, which contains piperine. Without this combination, the tea loses much of its anti-inflammatory power. Another mistake is using turmeric powder alone in water, which doesn't dissolve well and often settles, delivering minimal therapeutic benefit. To create an effective ginger turmeric tea, steep freshly sliced ginger, about 1 inch, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or 1 teaspoon grated fresh turmeric, in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee to assist fat-soluble nutrient uptake. Optionally, sweeten with a drop of raw honey. Drink it about an hour before bedtime, allowing your body to wind down and absorb the anti-inflammatory benefits overnight. While this vibrant golden tea fights inflammation at the root, our final tea is something far more familiar. So much so, you've probably sipped it for years without realizing its powerful collagen-preserving secret. Tea number 5. White tea. As we age, collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm, elastic, and youthful, naturally declines. It's a quiet process, but by the time we hit our 50s, many of us begin to see and feel the difference. Sagging skin, fine lines that no cream can quite erase, and a loss of that plump look we took for granted. But there's more at play than just time. A little-known enzyme called elastase becomes more active as we get older. Its job: to break down collagen and elastin, the very building blocks of healthy skin. That's where white tea steps in. White tea is the least processed of all teas, meaning it retains the highest concentration of protective compounds like catechins and polyphenol. These antioxidants don't just neutralize free radicals. They've been shown to actively inhibit elastase activity, slowing the breakdown of collagen from the inside out. It's like putting up a protective shield around your skin cells, helping them stay firm, resilient, and younger looking longer. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that daily consumption of white tea was linked to slower skin aging, especially in individuals over 50. Participants showed improved skin texture and elasticity over time, thanks to the tea's ability to reduce oxidative stress and preserve structural proteins like collagen. However, many people unknowingly sabotage white tea's benefits by preparing it the wrong way. Using boiling water destroys the delicate antioxidants, and adding sugar can accelerate skin aging through a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to collagen and break it down. To get it right, steep white tea in water between 165 degrees Fahrenheit and 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 to 80 degrees Celsius, for about 5 to 6 minutes. Skip the sugar, and enjoy it plain to protect your skin's structure. Drinking it 3 to 4 times a week, especially in the evening, can gently support your body's overnight repair cycle. Whether you're trying to reduce wrinkles, calm your mind, or just sleep better at night, sometimes the simplest solution is sitting right in your kitchen. The truth is, when you drink the right tea at the right time, it can completely shift your skin, your stress, and your sleep. The 5 collagen-boosting teas we explored today aren't just warm and soothing, they're science-backed, age-defying rituals. Rosehip tea floods your system with vitamin C to kickstart collagen. Chamomile tea relaxes your nerves and deepens your sleep cycle. Goji berry tea supports skin renewal with zinc and antioxidants. Ginger turmeric tea fights inflammation and keeps skin glowing. White tea helps preserve collagen and slow visible aging. The best part? You don't have to drink all 5 every day. Just listen to your body. On stressful nights, sip chamomile. When your skin feels dull or dry, reach for rosehip or goji. Rotate 2 to 3 teas per week and find the rhythm that works best for you. So go ahead. Choose 1 tea tonight and turn it into a calming bedtime ritual for your skin and your spirit. And if you're ready to glow while you sleep, drop a glow in the comments, so I know you're starting this beautiful, natural wellness journey with us.